Welcome to Holistic Specialist. You ask the questions and we give you a holistic answer. Today we're going to talk about chronic urinary tract infections, UTIs. Conventional treatment of UTIs are usually antibiotics. A woman goes to the urologist or the general practitioner and they recommend antibiotics to put away the symptoms. And they usually work. The antibiotics are a short-chain solution for a problem that is more prevalent in women than in men. The problem comes when the antibiotic use over the years is repetitive and people still getting the same response from the doctor, and the antibiotics get a lot resistant from the box. So the doctors have to start changing antibiotics, rotating antibiotics, and to get the patient better. In our consult, we had women who have had UTIs for almost all their lives. I mean, I have patients who have told me that they had UTIs since they were 9 years old and they are in their 70s. That means that for me, and from a holistic perspective, the UTI has never been eradicated, has been actually only treated partially. And that's why holistic medicine can really help to address the root cause of these conditions. Research shows that most of the times UTI is related to the bacteria E. coli, and the kind of E. coli that women show to have in their bladder is very similar to the E. coli of the gut, of the intestines. And there is a big relationship between the gut flora and the state of the intestines and how women behave as far as having UTIs, because usually there is a big relationship between having gastrointestinal problems and have UTIs. By addressing that problem, we can do test to detect the bacteria in the bladder, in the urine, but also we can detect the bacteria by a test. We can detect bacteria in the gut. And once we know that there is a close relationship with both, we can address which is the real root cause of the problem, which is the bacteria in the gut. Once we find some kind of bacteria, fungi, or parasites, or any bugs in the bladder and in the intestines, we need to give a holistic solution. And that solution involves a treatment by eliminating foods that irritate the stomach, the intestines, and the bladder, by incorporating some nutrients to the body that are going to heal the intestines and also reduce inflammation. That would be the first step. Many times also we need to use some kind of nutraceuticals, that means supplementation, natural supplementation that is going to cooperate in eradicating, in killing the bugs, and that is, they are gentle, they are not detrimental to their gut flora, and usually they make the length of the treatment shorter. The happiness of the patients who, after many years of chronic UTIs, are finally cured, it's incredible. I mean, many people cannot believe that just with a holistic intervention, without conventional medicine, this can be done. But it's true, and the only very big step that the patient has to take is being open to break some traditions in food and food preparation and in family preparations, that they come probably many generations, and that they are part of the problem when we look for the symptoms. So the reward of having a healthy urinary system are tremendous, and we can do it.